Okay, we are back, but Nikki's teeth are not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's my little 7-year-old boy missing his teeth. And what else is back are some cubes. So, a little while ago, a few weeks ago, we just haven't had a chance to do it. All Cryptoys Classics holders got a UFO cube. So we have one of those to open. And there's a sweepstakes going on right now. But by the time you see this video, I think it will still be going on. I don't remember when it ends. But where if you buy at least one Masters of the Universe cube, you then get entered to win a 5-pack along with some other things. And you know us, we don't buy a cube, right? We have a transaction. All of our transactions are max mint transactions. So when we bought a cube, we bought a 5-pack, as always. For today, however, we're going to open up the UFO cube, the gift, thank you, team, to reward your early stakeholders. So let's get this guy open and see who we get inside.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's been a while since we've checked. I don't even know our roster. I forget what we have, what we don't have. I don't even remember, so this will be a surprise.
Yeah.
If it's a good one, we can trade it with the Tooth Fairy when you lose your next tooth.
Yep.
All right. You want to open this guy up?
Yep.
Here you go. Ooh, love it. Click, 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 click. And
Yeah.
a common Alfie. Well, this one I know we have, even though I don't remember, but I know we have all the commons, so. All right. Well, there we go. Now, but that brings me to something else. We're going to do another video for you guys. You may or may not know that Cryptoys, folks, the team released a roadmap. So Nikki and I are going to take a look at that roadmap and talk about what's coming and when and what we're excited about and all that. So we'll see you for that soon enough.